Hi, today we're going to make breaded carrot steaks. Not only are they healthy, but they're delicious. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and half a cup of water. You're going to let them soak for an hour. You're going to grate 1 cup of carrots. It's more or less 2 medium ones or 1 big one. And then you're going to add 1 cup of oatmeal, half a cup of oatmeal flour. You're going to chop garlic and parsley. You're going to add it, and you're going to season it with salt, pepper, chili powder, paprika, curcuma, or whatever you like. And then you're going to add the chia seeds. If you don't want to use the seeds, you can add an egg, and you're going to let it rest for 15 minutes. Then you're going to bread it. I use cornflakes, sunflower seeds, and oatmeal flour. You can bread it with breadcrumbs if you want, whatever. You're going to form the dough. You're going to pass it in the crumbs, and then you're going to put it in an oven pan that has a bit of oil. And you can also cook it in a pan or air fryer. 2 minutes on each side, and they're ready to eat. If you want to freeze them, you have to freeze them cooked. Not only are they healthy, they're really delicious. Try them and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.